Hello guys, it's my pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Excel Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub. I'm reaching you live from Lagos State, Nigeria. And in this video guys, I'm going to show you guys the best website to know any design size layout settings. Okay, but before I get into the tutorial started, if you are very new to this channel, remember to subscribe to the channel, Excel Graphics and Multimedia. Turn on the notification bell so whenever I upload content about graphic results or graphic design topic, you get notified and you watch the video. And lastly but not least, if you have any question for me as far as this tutorial is concerned, you can put your question in the comment section down below. So let's get started. So the very best website I have for you guys today is designerstoolsbox.com. So designertoolsbox.com is a great website for every graphic or web designer to visit, so that you'll be able to see different layout settings for your design. So right here on the site, there are thousands of layouts that you can check on as far as this site is concerned. So let's say for instance, I'm interested in any of this stuff right here. I want to know the real size of business card size, any country format. So all you have to do is to click on the keywords. So when you click on the keywords, it's open up just like what you see right here. So you can see right here that there are different country by different layout settings as far as business card is concerned. So you can easily scroll down and see more and more as far as this is concerned. So for instance, if you are interested in United States layout for business card, you can see it right here. So this is for United States layout is 3.5 by 2 height. Okay. So if you are setting it on millimeters, so you are going to follow something like 89.51. That is for centimeter. Then for inches, you are going to follow things like this. So this is for business card. Okay. So let's, for instance, you are interested to check on another stuff on as far as this is concerned. Let's, for instance, I'm interested in web banners for all the web graphics. So you click on web banners. So when you click on web banners, you'll be able to see different sizes, settings, layouts. You can as well fill example right here. You can see this size here is 468 by 60 pixels. Okay, and you can click here to fill sample. So you click on to fill sample, it load up just like what you see right here. So this is how the layout setting is going to look like, and most especially when you are done your design, you upload it online, this is how it's going to look like. Okay, so that is for web graphic. You can scroll down and see more samples and more size of web banner, so you can see it as the case may be. So that is for web graphics. So let's take a look at print design. Now part of print design is envelope. So if I go to paper sizes, so let's see paper sizes. So when you click on paper sizes, it load up, and then you see a variety of paper sizes and how their measurement is gone. Okay, so right here you can see name and size in millimeters and size in inches. So if you are talking about A4, you can see right here, this is the right size for A4 in millimeters, right size for height in millimeters, and right size for inches in width, and the right size for inches in height. So paper sizes started from A0 to A10, then go straight down to B0 to B10, C0 to C10, etc. So you can scroll down and see more paper sizes as far as this paper sizes segment is concerned on this particular website right here. So one more thing you can do as far as this site is concerned is that you can check on some of the layout settings, presetting for your future design. So let's take a look at CD album cover right here. So click on CD album cover and you're going to see more templates. Right here you can see these are lively and custom templates as far as this CD album cover is concerned. So let's, for instance, if you are interested in some stuff like this, all you have to do is to make sure you click on measurements and die line. So this one here, it presents you to another page whereby you'll be able to see the preview. Okay, so okay, let's go back and pick on another one. So we download the right. Okay, so let's say I'm interested in this one right here. So just click on the link. Click on the link to view. So when you click on the link, it's open up in another page. So you have something like this. Now this is just a layout for CD template. Okay, this is panel cover. So if you are interested to know the layout settings for panel cover, just click on download line die line. So when you click on download die line, it prepare your download folder right here. Okay, so from there you can go to your download folder and unzip it, then you open it in your graphic, whether you want to use it on Illustrator or you can use it in Coreldraw. So let me give you an example on how you guys can use it in Coreldraw. Okay, so alright guys, so I'm going to give you guys an example on how you can use this file on Coreldraw. Okay, so when you open up your Coreldraw, you have to come to Home tab right here, click on File, and make sure you have unzip the file folder. So you go to Open. Then after you have unzipped the file, you have to locate for EPS file. This is what you need right here. And come here and click on Open. Then you click on OK. So this is just the normal standard layout that you guys can use for your stuff. So for you to use this layout setting, you can just delete some of this watermark. Then when you delete on the watermark, you can come here, double click to create a page border. So double click to create a page border, then make use of your guide ruler to center to the snap to the center. Then you can easily delete on this one. Then this is what you need. This is the cover panel of CD template, left and right. So you can begin to start your design. Everything has been custom and it is a standard layout. So guys, this is how you can actually make use of this website to help you in your design layout. You can check on a lot of things as far as the site is concerned. You can as well generate what I call Lorem Ipsum generator. This is a kind of a ready-made custom text that you can use for your design template. Okay, so you can generate the text right here. You can explore and see a lot of things you can do as far as this site is concerned. I hope you guys follow for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumb up. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, so whenever I upload content about graphic resource, you get notified. And lastly but not the least, if you have any question as far as the tutorial is concerned, put your question in the comment section down below. Hope to see you guys in my next video. Peace.